Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as in the title, I guess you will know what we're doing. And right now I'm putting my cream. I'm kind of stressed out to dance, but I'm also happy to dance with my mom. So now we are almost there, but we just need to walk a little bit, and the weather is really nice and it's really sunny. So now we arrived and we're getting ready. So this is a Tibetan traditional dress and it's called chupa. Now we're just waiting for the music to turn on. Now we finished the first part. Now we're getting ready for the part 2 and we are really stressed out. We finished and next to me is my friend, but I'm not going to show you her face. Now we arrived at Himalaya Momo to change ourselves. So now we're having some rest and this bubble tea is really good and this is Momo. It's a Tibetan traditional recipe and it's really good. I really like it. This has some flavors and it's really good. So now we're going to rip off the piñata and it's a Mexican thing, I think, and inside of it there's a lot of candies. I'm really excited. I picked up a lot of candies, so I put them in this pot of piñata and now I'm putting this in my head. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe and share.